Hi everyone, are you looking off-road RC car? This video is made to help you find the best off-road RC car. I made this list based on my personal opinion and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price and more. Links all the products we mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. If you want to see stay update latest technology video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Brand name, JJRC, model number, C8811. The car is equipped with a professional lift assist wheel to prevent overturning due to excessive starting speed, thereby adjusting the stability of the car body and showcasing technical and adventurous features. This is not an ordinary toy remote control car. Because the remote control car is too fast, it is recommended to use remote control car in open areas to avoid bumping into obstacles. The ideal speed of C8811 is 50 km/h, but the actual speed will be affected by other factors such as the venue. The actual speed of C8811 is about 40 km/h. The car utilizes 2.4G remote control technology. Supports multiplayer competition, strong anti-interference and stable signal. The car adopts a simulated off-road tire design with excellent wear resistance. Number 4. Brand name, HAIBOXING, model number, 2996A, 2.4 GHz full-function proportional radio control system suffices a stable control range within 280 feet. Aluminum cap oil-filled shock absorber, equipped with adjusting aluminum ring, can adjust shock absorber stroke. Reliable transmission, forward, brake and reverse would never fail. Splash waterproof electronic components make a all-terrain vehicle out of this truck. 4-wheel drive independent shock absorption suspension system. All is fulfilled in hobby class design with classic ball bearings, solid gear diff, independent suspension. This RC monster truck is durable, speedy, funny and yet affordable, which is advisable to be toys gifts for boys and adults. Number 3. Brand name, ZLL, model number, SG116 Max. The SG116 Max RC car features a sturdy and durable construction, making it suitable for various terrains. Its 4-wheel drive system ensures excellent traction and stability, enabling you to conquer rough surfaces, grassy areas and even rocky terrains. The suspension system is designed to absorb shocks and impacts, providing a smooth and enjoyable ride even on bumpy tracks. The Beast features is upgraded with durable metal materials, including metal differentials, CVD drive shafts and more. These metal parts and electronic components make up the professional-grade chassis of the high-end RC truck. The RC car also comes with a high-strength front bumper, rear swing arm and 4 spring shock absorbers to protect the remote control car from damage due to collisions. The car shell is made of high-toughness explosion-proof PVC car shell. The truck features full proportional steering and throttle, allowing for precise control and maneuverability. You can easily turn the steering wheel and adjust the throttle to navigate through tight spaces or achieve high speeds. The Beast features an intelligent waterproof ESC that provides smooth and stable power to all 4 wheels while protecting against water splashes. The ESC also features overheat, overcurrent and low voltage protection and is compatible with the 3S power system. Number 2. Brand name, JJRC, model number, Q175, 2.4 GHz radio system with anti-jamming capability allows us to race at the same time on the same track. The control distance is up to 40 meters. Built-in super strong, powerful and high-efficiency strong motor makes the electric energy converted into power maximally. Anti-skid tire, it is easy to adapt to rough terrains such as beaches, snow, grass, mountain road and rock road. The sand tires will make your cars run faster and more stable while running on the sand or snowy road, to achieve amazingly furious and racing experience. Anti-collision protection design greatly reduce the impact on the internal parts of the remote control car. Bright cool lights can also play at night to illuminate the direction of progress. Number 1. Brand name, Beyond Sky, model number, MJX 14301. This all-terrain remote control car is equipped with 3 sets of tires, whether it is high-grip rubber tires on asphalt roads, rally tires on muddy roads, or smooth-headed tires on drifting roads, allowing for different levels of pleasure in one RC car. 2.4 GHz radio system allows multiple models to be run at the same time. 4WD drive system complete with metal differentials and drive shafts. Internal dustproof car cover, no worries about cleanliness when driving in mud and dust. Metal differential with high wear-resistant and excellent durability. Durable and designed for long-term performance. Exquisite workmanship, allowing the car to turn and drive in a perfect curve. The drift car features a strong metal collision head that effectively protects against collisions and crashes. The car's full metal transmission system, including the metal gear differential, ensures that it has better traction and durability. The metal gears also make for a quieter and smoother ride. The drift car features a strong metal collision head that effectively protects against collisions and crashes. The car's full metal transmission system, including the metal gear differential, ensures that it has better traction and durability. The metal gears also make for a quieter and smoother ride.